This is how you know it's time to replace your hearing aids. Number one, most hearing aids last several years, but it all depends on the technology, how fast technology changes, if your hearing changes over time. So it's something to monitor very closely as the hearing aids grow with you over the years. Number two, technology advancements on hearing aids have changed drastically over the years. Some of the main technological advancements with hearing aids can improve processing sound when you're in really challenging environments like restaurants, church, meetings, group gatherings, family gatherings. We want to make sure that the hearing aids filter out as much noise as they should. So that's been a major improvement with hearing aids. Number three, your hearing may change over time. So it's important to monitor your hearing over the years. The hearing aids may not be meeting your current needs anymore. Most hearing aids do grow with you and have the capability to be readjusted based on your hearing loss, but so much changes over time that we want to make sure you're still getting the best treatment that you should. Number four, talk with your audiologist. The time to replace your hearing aids is not based on the calendar. It's based on if your current technology is meeting your current needs. So meeting with your audiologist is important to evaluate that for you, update your hearing test, talk about what your options are, and making the right decision for you.
This is why hearing aids cost so much. Number one, you're paying more than just the device. When you buy a hearing aid from us at Coates Hearing Clinic, you're also getting lots of expertise. Lots of follow-up care is included, and you're paying for the experience of the provider who's going to make sure that this little thing works the way it's supposed to. Number two, the appointments that are included with the purchase of a hearing aid start out at an hour and 30 minutes. The follow-up appointments, 45 minutes or 30 minutes. So you're getting plenty of time with the provider. All that is included with the purchase of a hearing aid. So you're not just paying for the device, you're paying for all the follow-up care that comes along with it. Number three, research and development. Each of the 5 hearing aid manufacturers has a huge group, big team of engineers, audiologists that work on these things to find the next big breakthrough all the time. They work 7 days a week in a lot of cases. They're always trying to one-up each other to find the next big breakthrough in hearing aids. The amount of technology that is inside of this little small device is incredible. It's doing millions of calculations per second to judge your surroundings, to make adjustments on the fly so that you don't have to, and to make sure that the sound that it's putting into your ear is specifically for your hearing loss based on the programming that the provider has done. Those millions and millions of dollars that they spend every year in terms of research and development go into the cost of the device as well. Number four is that you're not just paying for something that increases the volume of sound. Hearing aids don't make you have normal hearing, but they do everything that they can to replicate the functions of your brain, processing that sound as it comes in to make it sound as natural as possible. Number five, insurance has not caught up yet with hearing aids. While some of our patients have a direct benefit that pays part of what the hearing aid costs, and some of our patients have discount programs, hearing aids are expensive. There's no getting around that, but we can help. We have price match programs for insurance discount programs that we're not in network with. For insurances that we're not in network with, a lot of times we can price match those as well. We're in network with as many insurances as we can be, including most of the major ones that have coverage around here. There's big insurance discounts for people like Johnson County employees, retired state employees. Lots of insurances have some sort of discount, though they don't pay for the hearing aids directly. We'd love to talk to you about it. We can do a verification for free. But again, we do everything we can to help you be able to afford hearing aids, and that includes not raising our prices since we opened in 2019. These are just a few of the questions that we get asked and that we found that people are asking on Reddit. If you have a question that you want answered, put it in the comments below. We'll either get back to you or maybe even feature it on one of our upcoming segments.